I grew up in Park Ridge and played volleyball at Maine South and went on to play at University of Iowa. My senior year in college, I tore my ACL, and I think that what started me on my path to a knee replacement 35 years later. I love volleyball so much that I started my own Fesl volleyball business. I teach kids how to play volleyball, and I started to have such knee problems that I hesitated to run some of my clinics. That's when I decided it was time to look into a knee replacement.
Prior to seeing me, Ms. Fesl had tried lots of other types of treatment: physical therapy, anti-inflammatory medications, even injections inside of her knee. As time went on, those became less and less effective, and almost all the cartilage in her knee had worn away. After discussing things with her extensively, we felt that an outpatient knee replacement was the next step for her.
It kind of took me by surprise to go home day of procedure, but I really don't like staying in the hospital. I was pretty driven to have this knee replacement done and get back on my feet right away, as I had my Fesl volleyball camp starting in about 10 weeks after the procedure was going to be done.
Ms. Fesl was a great candidate for outpatient knee replacement for a few reasons. She was healthy, she was in good shape, she had good support around her in order for her to be able to go home safely after surgery, and her own motivation and her ability to be able to do the things that we asked her to do both before, during, and after surgery.
My surgery was about 7:30. I was back in my room at 10:30. Dr. Fesl came in to make sure I was okay. The physical therapist got me up and I was walking by 11. I had a little bit of lunch. I walked again. They wanted to be sure that I could walk up steps that were in the room. Dr. Fesl visited me again, and I was home by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and my nurse was in the driveway to greet me and help me into the house.
We did what was called a patient-specific customized total knee. This is a system that includes custom instrumentation using a preoperative MRI and an X-ray to literally allow us to do many parts of planning the surgery well in advance, to really get in and out in an efficient amount of time and with minimal damage to the soft tissues around the joint. All of these innovations, along with our team approach to anesthesia, physical therapy, nursing care, all of that coming together allows the patient to go home safely within a few hours of their outpatient hip or knee replacement surgery.
I was very comfortable. I wasn't in pain at all. I had great pain management. I was able to do all my volleyball camps, 6 weeks of volleyball camps. Everybody was on the same page to get me back on my feet and walking, and I just followed the steps that they told me to do because I figured they had done this before and it worked for them and it worked for me.